In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital artistry and productivity to explore the best monitors for artists on the market. Let's look at 5 top options that cater to different needs and budgets. For your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. With that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the SANSUI 24-inch monitor, priced at $86.39. This monitor is a standout for its affordable price and robust features, making it ideal for both home and office use. It displays in full high definition on its 24-inch screen, offering sharp images in vibrant colors. The monitor refreshes images at a rate of 100 times per second, which means smoother transitions and less strain on your eyes during long work sessions. The built-in speakers eliminate the need for external audio devices, saving space and reducing clutter. It includes various inputs like HDMI and DisplayPort, making it easy to connect to other devices. Customers appreciate the glossy screen finish for its vivid color representation, though some have noted a dead pixel, which isn't a major issue for them. It also features a V-shaped stand that saves space and allows for tilt adjustments. Despite some initial defects reported by users, the replacement process was swift and hassle-free. Overall, it's well received for its deep color display and multiple display options, proving to be a solid choice for budget-conscious artists. Second is the Sceptre 30-inch monitor, available at $229. This ultra-wide monitor stretches 30 inches diagonally and offers a more expansive display, enhancing productivity by allowing more room to multitask. Its refresh rate is incredibly high, making the screen's movement ultra smooth, which is great for both artistic endeavors and gaming. The display is set in a glossy finish which brings out rich, true-to-life colors, perfect for detailed graphic work. It comes equipped with built-in speakers, saving you the hassle of extra cables and devices on your workspace. Users have highlighted its capability to deliver high-quality visuals and its seamless integration with gaming consoles, though some have pointed out that the speakers could be better. Despite a few HDR issues, the monitor is often praised for its brightness and clarity. The stand is simple but sturdy, with a slight pivot adjustment available. Customers who bought this found it to be a great deal for the price, offering performance close to more expensive models, making it a favorite among gamers and professional users alike. Third on the list is the ASUS ProArt Display 27-inch monitor, which costs $276. This monitor targets professionals with its 27-inch screen that showcases incredible detailed images at a wide quad high-definition resolution. It's specifically designed to meet international color standards, displaying a wide range of colors and exceptionally accurate colors out of the box. The ergonomic stand can be adjusted for tilt, swivel, and height, making long hours at the desk more comfortable. It offers extensive connectivity options, including DisplayPort, HDMI, and USB, facilitating easy connections to a variety of devices. The factory calibration ensures minimal color deviation, which is critical for professional color work. Users have given high marks for its superb color accuracy and brightness, although there have been some concerns about the durability of the button board. It includes a 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, adding extra value for creative professionals. Overall, the monitor is highly recommended for those who need precision in their visual work. Fourth, we have the Cocopar 18.5-inch portable monitor, priced at $199. This portable monitor is ideal for artists on the move, weighing just over 2 pounds and featuring a super slim profile. It displays full high-definition images on its 18.5-inch screen and updates its display 100 times per second for smooth visual experience. The color accuracy is exceptional, covering 120% of the sRGB color space, which is great for photo editing and design. It connects easily to laptops and other devices via USB-C or HDMI, supporting a wide range of devices. The kickstand is adjustable up to 180 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect angle for any setting. It's also equipped with eye care technology to reduce flicker and blue light, protecting your eyes during extended use. Customers love its lightweight and thinness, though some have raised concerns about its durability under frequent travel conditions. Overall, it's praised for enhancing productivity with a secondary screen that's easy to carry along. Last but not least, we have the InnoView portable monitor at $249. It offers a slightly larger 18-inch display that provides a significant amount of workspace, ideal for detailed tasks like editing large files. This monitor displays in 2000 resolution, offering more pixels and sharper images, which can be a major advantage for precision work in graphic design and video editing. It features a high brightness level which maintains visibility even in well-lit environments. Its stand can also be adjusted, and it includes VESA mount compatibility for even more flexible setup options. It connects via USB-C and mini HDMI, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Users have particularly liked its high color fidelity and ergonomic design, though it requires separate powering to avoid flickering or dim brightness initially. It's highly recommended for professionals who require a portable yet powerful display solution. So, choosing the right monitor is crucial for enhancing your artistic capabilities and productivity. Whether you prioritize affordability, portability, or professional grade accuracy, there's a monitor tailored to meet your creative needs. And don't forget, all products that I have mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you find this helpful, and thank you for watching.